topic for today is about piping design tips. Piping around pumps, part 1 by Boss Chloe channel. The purpose of pump piping is to provide a conduit for the flow of liquid to and from a pump without adversely affecting the performance or reliability of the pump. However, many pumps' performance and reliability problems are caused or aggravated by inadequate pipe system piping. Suction piping. The function of suction piping is to supply an evenly distributed flow of liquid to the pump suction with sufficient pressure to the pump to avoid cavitation and related damage. In the pump impeller, unevenly flow distribution is characterized by strong local currents, swirl and or excessive entrained air. The ideal approach is straight pipe, coming directly to the pump with no turns or flow disturbing fittings close to the pump. If the suction piping fails to deliver the liquid to the pump in this condition, a number of pumps problems can result, including noisy operation, random axial load oscillation, premature bearing or cell failure, cavitation damage to the impeller and in the portion of the casing, occasional damage from liquid separation on the discharge side. Shout out sa YouTube creator family, the community, and super friends. I will show you some example drawings for the suction piping. Pumps are to be placed close to the below vessel from which they take their suction in order to have net positive suction head required by pump. Any reduction of suction line size required at a pump should be made by eccentric reducer with a flat side up to avoid accumulation of vapor pocket. See typical piping at the pump suction below. Yan ang mga sample ng drawing sa design sa piping around pumps. Before we continue the topic, which is the discharge pipings around pumps, I would like to shout out my Lucky Boss channel member, and they are Touch of Beauty, monetize channel siya, at kung hindi kayo nakasubscribe sa kanya, i-subscribe niyo siya at i-click niyo yung notification button para ma-notify kayo sa mga live streaming niya at mga new uploads video niya. The next Lucky Boss channel member, isa siyang malaki na channel at palagi din siyang nag-ALS at meron din siyang join button, at walang iba si Kagimba TV. Kung hindi pa kayo naka-subscribe sa kanya, subscribe kayo at i-hit niyo yung notification button para ma-notify kayo sa mga LS niya at bagong upload video, at i-check niyo na rin yung perks ng membership niya. At kung magustuhan nyo, magpa-member kayo. Lalong-lalo na yung mga hindi pa monetize, malaking maitulong sa inyo si Kagimba TV. Kaya, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Yung mga hindi pa monetize, punta na kayo. The next Lucky Boss channel member, walang iba si Bicolana Española. may join button din siya. At kung hindi kayo nakasubscribe sa kanya, i-subscribe niyo siya at i-hit niyo yung notification button para ma-notify kayo sa LS niya at mga bagong video niya. At i-check na rin yung mga perks sa membership niya. At kung magustuhan ninyo, magpa-member kayo. At lalong-lalo na yung mga nag-need ng watch hour, makakatulong din si Bicolana Española sa inyo. So let's go back to the discussion. Discharge piping. Discharge piping flow characteristic normally will not affect the performance of reliability of the rotodynamic pump, but a few exceptions exist in a situation in which high energy pumps might be sensitive to flow disturbing fittings mounted close to the pump discharge plants. Sudden valve closure might cause excessive high water hammer generated pressure spike to the reflected back to the pump, possibly causing damage to the pump. Discharge piping might affect pump starting, stopping, and priming. The discharge piping configuration also might alter any discharge flow recirculation that might extend to the discharge piping at very low flow rate. This could have a small effect on the head developed by pump. The next one is the mechanical considerations. Two of the more common detrimental effects from pump piping are the excessive nozzle loads the piping can place on the pump and excessive nozzle loads that unsupported equipment such as valves or vertical inline pumps can place on piping. Excessive nozzle loads can be caused by thermal expansion of the pipe, unsupported piping and equipment weight, and misalignment piping. Proper piping and pump layout design and analysis. Shout out my BB Boss channel member, Home Shape PA. Meron siyang join button at kung hindi kayo nakasubscribe sa kanya, mag-subscribe kayo at i-hit niyo yung notification para ma-notify kayo sa LS at mga new uploads niya. At i-check na rin niyo ang perks ng membership niya at kung magustuhan niyo, pa-member kayo. Ang susunod na member na shoutout ko, which is the BB Boss channel member, is si Pretty Alexa Love. Yes, you heard it right, Pretty Alexa Love. At monetize na rin siya. At kung hindi kayo naka-subscribe sa kanya, mag-subscribe kayo at i-hit ang notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa LS niya at sa mga new uploads video niya. At maybe soon magkakaroon din siya ng join button. So just wait and check always sa channel niya. The next BB Boss channel member is walang iba kundi si Kwentong Osesero. At monetize na rin siya. Join button. Kung hindi kayo nakasubscribe sa kanya, mag-subscribe kayo at in-hit yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga LS niya. At i-check na rin niyo ang join button niya, yung mga perks niya. At kung magustuhan ninyo, magpa-member na rin kayo sa kanya. Ano pang hinihintay niyo? I-check na niyo yung join button niya at tingnan yung mga perks para malaman nyo kung ano yung mga perks niya. The next one is si Michelle Mitch Rondahanon. Kaka-monetize lang niya at meron din siyang join button. I-check na yung mga perks niya at baka magustuhan ninyo at magpa-member na rin kayo. At kung hindi kayo nakasubscribe, subscribe kayo at i-hit yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa LS at mga new uploads video niya. At sa mga hindi na shoutout na nandito ngayon nanood sa video na to, shoutout sa inyong lahat at sana nagustuhan niyo yung video ko. At yung mga member ni Glory Channel with Care, shoutout na rin sa inyong lahat. Okay, let's continue the hydraulic considerations. Suction piping and general pump should have uninterrupted and unthrottled flow in the inlet suction nozzle. Flow disturbing fitting should not be present for some minimum length. Flow disturbances on the inlet side of the pump can lead to deterioration in pin performance, damage to the impeller and shorten impeller life, especially with high suction energy pump. Shorten mechanical cell life, shorten bearing life, isolation valve, strainer, and other devices used in the inlet suction side of the pump should be sized and located to the minimal disturbance of the flow into the pump. The most disturbing flow pattern to the pump are those that result from swirling liquid that has traversed several changes of direction in various planes. Liquid in an inlet pipe should approach the pump in a state of straight, steady flow. When the fittings such as the fittings and elbow, especially two elbows at the right angles, are located too close to the pump inlet, a spinning action or swirl is induced. This swirl could be adversely affect pump's performance by reducing efficiency. Head and net positive suction head available. It is also called generate noise, vibration, and damage in high suction energy pump. It is recommended that the straight and interrupted section of the pipe to be installed between the pump and the nearest fitting. This should be follow the minimum high straight pipe length guidelines listed in the ISO draft standard, which range from 1 to 8 pipe diameter for low suction energy, low specific speed, 3 to 16 pipe diameter for high suction energy, per high specific speed. The specific straight pipe plant recommendation depends on the pipe fittings and pump. Generally, high suction energy pumps have functions nozzle greater than 10 inches at 1,800 revolution per minute and greater than 6 inches at 3,600 revolution per minute. High specific speed start above the value of 3,500 if the minimum recommended pipe length cannot be provided. Flow straighten device should be considered. In addition to the minimum required length of the straight suction pipe, it is equally important that the net positive suction head margin ratio guidelines listed in the HI standard on net positive suction head margin be followed. Those net positive suction head margin ratio guidelines are independent on the application and range from 1.1 to 1.3 for low suction energy pump, 1.3 to 2.5 for high suction energy pump. It is specifically critical for plants to follow this net positive suction head margin recommendation for high suction energy pumps. By doing so, they avoid excessive pump noise, vibration, and damage, particularly to the region of suction recirculation. Discharge piping. Pipe fittings mounted close to the outlet discharge plants normally will have minimal effect to performance or reliability of low energy rotodynamic pumps. On the other hand, high energy pumps can be sensitive to flow disturbing fittings mounted close to the pump outlet plants. Those fittings could result in increased noise, vibration, and hydraulic loads within the pump. According to HI pumps with specific speed values below 1,300 that generate more than 900 feet of head per stage are considered to be high energy pumps. The differential head value for the high energy drops from 900 feet at the specific speed of 1,300 to 200 feet at the specific speed of 2,700. It is recommended that high energy pumps meet the minimum straight discharge pipe length required on ISO pump piping standard 1 to 4.5 diameter. The specific straight pipe length recommendation depends on the type of fittings downstream of the pump. Before we will end the part 1 of the piping around pumps, I would like to extend my special thanks to my super chatters are the following below. Please check. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, sa inyong mga palipad. Sana hindi kayo magsawang magpalipad. Maraming salamat sa mga nandyan, lahat na nanood sa premiere ko. Sa mga hindi pa member sa channel ko, kung gusto nyo magpa-member, lalong-lalo na yung mga hindi pa monetize, pa-member na kayo. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell in order you to be automatic notified for my part 2 of this video and all of my new uploads. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Ito si Boss Glowich Channel. Bye-bye. Bago ko pala makalimutan, kung hindi kayo nakasubscribe sa anak ko na si Clovis World, pakisubscribe na lang din. At pati kay Chloe Chandler with Care. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.